Delta Tango Delta traffic joining left downwind 430 Cherokee. Delta Tango Delta, we're on the long leg base for 35. Roger, report final. Report final, Delta Tango Delta. The radio, Delta Tango, 3 mile final, 35. Delta Tango Delta, Roger, wind 310 at 16, gusting 21. Delta Tango Delta. Whiskey ready, Whiskey Victor Romeo. I can do a 180 for spacing. Whiskey Victor Romeo, spacing looks good. DC-3 standing final now. Check 4,500. You may descend now. And has traffic. Whiskey Victor Romeo has traffic. Over, thanks. Brand new radio officer, all just down the way.
I am so tired. Oshkosh, everything was amazing. The whole thing was amazing. You know, from start to finish, it's super good. Super to be home here in Red Deer. This is where it all started, and I'm, you know, looking back at some of the earlier episodes of Plane Savers where we're here looking for parts and pieces, and yeah, I think even the first episode, I think we came here, and to be back here is pretty amazing. I'm pretty stoked, pretty happy. When it comes to the Plane Savers community, I'm blown away. A lot of the stuff, the organic stuff, and how it grew within itself, especially the Facebook group, is just being amazing. And really, it actually really helps, because like tracking the airplane and stuff, and people are so hungry for content. I'm really happy that the content is coming from the people as well, and it's really just a really cool community. And even when I was down in Oshkosh, EAA said the most requested aircraft on the live stream was DTD, and that is because of you guys at home. It's been amazing. never would have thought in 100 years that this would have been the situation we would be in. The daily YouTube videos were cool. That was probably one of the most common compliments I got while I was, besides the aircraft itself, was people made it part of their day. You know, they would, depending on where in the world you were, the guys here in North America watched it at the end of the day. The UK guys watched it when they got up. Australia guys watched it like at lunchtime, and that's amazing. It was cool to be at Oshkosh, where all people from all around the world were there, telling me and the crew how Plane Savers was part of their lives for 6 months, and
yeah, cool.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.